Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel, LettuceEat. I'm Luke.
I'm Destiny.
And today we are making... What are we making?
Redemption cheesecake.
With an extra pumpkin flavor.
This time we got it right.
Yes, we did. A lot of hard work went into this. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Test out our cheesecake that we made.
Yes, and then we'll talk about things we didn't like and what we did like.
Yes.
Here's a pumpkin cheesecake. I got you a corner piece, and I got me a corner piece. Grab. Don't be scared. Mmm.
I really like the crust.
I think I like the crust more.
Yeah.
More than anything. Yeah. I'm so glad that it is smooth.
Oh.
I mean, it was tricky to get it that smooth. So, I don't know if you guys remember in our previous video, we made vegan cheesecake with cashews. And we talked about how that they were kind of not as smooth as it should be, like a regular cheesecake is. And this one, we put a lot of extra work in and blended it, pureed it, blended it some more, pureed it again until it was super smooth. And
yeah, I mean, like the texture of the other one wasn't.
It wasn't quite on par. But this one is pretty good. I enjoyed it.
I think that if you're going to put the pumpkin puree in it, that you should maybe put a little less, just because it gets icy really quick if you're leaving it in the freezer too long.
There was just a lot of pumpkin, and I wanted to use it all.
And us making like little squares, there was quite a bit left over of product that we had ended up making. So, like if it was in one of those 8x8 pans, it would have probably been easier to draw out the pumpkin.
Separate the crust and the pumpkin, and just have the puree. I mean, like combined, everything tastes really good. But then when you just have the pumpkin or the non-pumpkin part of the cheesecake, you're missing out a flavor. And I don't know what flavor you're missing. You just had pumpkin in that, so you didn't get the...
I still tasted it. I mean, this one was significantly better because...
It was sweeter. It's sweeter because the last one wasn't that sweet.
The last one was just pureed cashews. This one actually had like vanilla and sugar in it.
I almost think you need to add more vanilla to it. Oh, I still liked it. It's good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like this video. We really appreciate it, guys. And if you guys want us to try something new, hit that comment section. Yeah.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.